Rochester Police and City Hall are accusing a city judge of poor judgment when he released a defendant without an ankle monitor. Now, today, the defense attorney on the case is saying this judge had no choice. Leah Mallory joining us now, having looked into what exactly happened in court. Leah.
Natalie, this case involves Andre Smith, a 19-year-old accused of shooting into his girlfriend's home on Baldwin Street earlier this month. Police called it a domestic incident, and last week Smith was arraigned on charges of criminal possession of a weapon, among other charges. He returned to court Tuesday for a preliminary hearing after prosecutors told City Court Judge Van White they did not intend to move forward with the preliminary hearing. White said he had to release Smith and take off his ankle monitor because state law defines an ankle monitor as a form of custody. Rochester Police Captain Greg Bello says White's decision did not take into account the victim's safety in the case, and today City Hall stood by Bello's comments, but Smith's attorney said the second prosecutor said there'd be no preliminary hearing, White's hands were tied.
It's the law, it's within the CPL, it's a statute. So I think if the police department read the statute and understood it, they would know it's not Judge White's discretion, it's not his decision to release. And I believe on Tuesday, Judge White did state on the record that, it's not his decision, he has to do that. So I think the police department being upset with Judge White for releasing Mr. Smith, it's just misdirected anger.
We just had an incident a couple of years ago where somebody that was released on electronic monitoring, released with non-monetary conditions, and had those removed, and within a week or two went and killed her over on the east side of the city. These are real situations. These are real lives on the line.
Wade says Smith will return to court on March 3rd, and during the proceeding, she says the DA is expected to make an offer or some sort of resolution. Judge Van White is unable to comment on these matters due to his position. Reporting live in studio, Leah Mallory, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.